So hey guys, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can do slow motion in Capcut. So first of all, we have this clip which we would like to use slow motion on. You're gonna choose the specific part which you would like to see in slow motion. So for example, I'm gonna have the clip started here. So I just click on the clip and just press Ctrl and B. So then I cut the clip at this specific part and I cut it at the end where I would like it to end, for example here. And now we want to make a video where it's gonna be fast and just slow here when she's basically walking. So we just click on the clip which we would like to change, then go to speed, and then here you can basically change the speed of the specific clip, or you can also change the duration, which is the same thing. If the speed is smaller, the duration is going to be bigger, but you can do it with either of the scales. So right now, as you can see, we have a faster clip, and after that we have a slower clip as she's walking. If you want it to be smoother, you're gonna go to the clip, click on the clip, go to speed, and just use this smooth slow-mo. And this is gonna make the clip smoother basically. And if you would like to try the pro version, you can click on the link in the description below and just use the free trial for the pro version of Capcut. So another possibility you have is if you want to have cool effects without having to do it yourself, you just need to click on the video of the part of the video you would like to change, go to speed, and you have these curves with the pro version, these presets basically. You can either do it custom or you have these presets, for example this bullet where it's normal speed, then it's gonna be pretty slow for a while, and then it's normal speed again. And this looks kind of cool. I'm gonna show you. I've just clicked on this and TikTok did it for me automatically. Alright, so all in all, this is how to do slow motion on Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut Video Editing for Beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.